UMI's goal is to provide every person on the planet with an opportunity to generate new digital money and make instant, secure, and free transactions. As UMI grows, it will be possible to buy coffee, rent a hotel, order a pizza, and buy a new phone for UMI. And the world will change beyond recognition. Using UMI can change most aspects of society. Production, commerce, logistics, and all financial arrangements. All this can radically change with the emergence of UMI. UMI is a true alternative to the existing financial system. It can build the world's strongest community, comprising billions of users from all around the globe. Join now. It is generally thought that the entire world economy is dependent on the financial system. The financial system is dependent on banks, and banks are dependent on people. But as practice shows, it works the other way around. Banks, in fact, are not dependent on people. It is people who depend on the banks. The banks decide who you can and who you cannot transfer your own funds. The banks impose limits and want to know the origin of your funds. The banks can freeze your account without your permission. The banks charge a fee when you use your own money. The banks issue new money, which is given to you only in the form of favorable loans, putting you into debt. UMI's goal is changing the financial system for the benefit of humanity. Never before has anyone known how to change the status quo. With the emergence of UMI, the situation is changing. We can finally say, we are people. Enough is enough. The purpose of UMI is to solve three major problems that restrict financial freedom of people around the world. With UMI, only you control your coins. You don't owe anything to anyone. Nobody will freeze your account. You don't have to report to anybody or provide explanations. With UMI, you don't need to pay anybody and waste time waiting. All transfers are instant and no fees are charged, no matter who, when, or where you send the coins. Even if this person is on the other side of the world, the funds will reach them immediately, and you will not pay a single penny for the transfer, and no queues, no visits to the bank. With UMI, you feel secure. No transaction can be compromised, changed, or canceled. The decentralized blockchain network is not exposed to hacking attacks. No one knows your personal data except for you. UMI is your freedom and independence in the financial world. UMI radically changes the view of the world economy. Over time, it will be possible to buy coffee, rent a hotel, order a pizza, and buy a new phone for UMI. You will buy anything you like for UMI. Then the world will change dramatically. The ability of people to buy and sell goods for UMI will probably eliminate the need for banks, because banking technologies will become relic of the past and will disappear, as did pagers, faxes, or landline phones. Will full-scale trading for UMI emerge? It's a rhetorical question. The possibility of easy-to-use, instant, secure, and free transfers, combined with complete freedom, cannot be ignored by human nature. Man always selects the best, and the best is UMI. UMI's important objective is to provide every person with an opportunity to create new digital money. At present, new money is issued by central banks, but it never gets to the wallets of ordinary citizens. When the central bank creates money, it injects it into commercial banks. Commercial banks give out this money as loans. People get a loan to get more money to buy goods, but more money means more debts. Loans must be paid back, along with interest. The goal of UMI is the fundamental transformation of the process of issuing assets in favor of society. With UMI, you yourself create new digital money. You need no energy expenses, no powerful equipment, no asking anyone for permission. All you need is to launch staking and start generating UMI 24/7. New UMI coins will bypass banks and other intermediaries, going straight into your wallet. Banks confuse people and turn off the lights, UMI turns it back on again. UMI is a universal monetary instrument, capable of becoming an international means of payment number one all over the world. UMI significantly outclasses cryptocurrencies and fiat systems in all key payment characteristics. In fact, peer group analysis can be viewed as a relative exercise, since the UMI blockchain platform is completely unique, has no equivalents, and consequently, no competitors. This is the first and only product that expertly combines all the best features of cryptocurrency and the leading payment systems globally. UMI is currently the best payment instrument designed by humanity. Join right